Let's see a working demo of small setup on burglar's alarm. Here we have made our own custom UI design. Now we'll see a working demo of our project. Here we have connected a magnetic reed switch which is connected mentioned as a door 1. So now the state is off, so we'll see this white color remains white when the door is closed, and it will change its color when the door is open, and will receive a telegram notification as parallel. So now I'm gonna open the door first. So I have opened the door and I have received the telegram notification as door is open, and as the door is open, the color of this white color button will change into orange color. So now I am gonna open another side of our door which is mentioned as door 2, and then now door 2 is open and I have the telegram notification door 2 is open. Now door 2 is closed, so the color of the button state will change into white. Now I will close the door 1. So the telegram notification says door 2 and door 1 is closed, and here the LVGL color is also changed.